Okay, sweetie, this is the basement area, and it's actually quite big. There's our washer and dryer right there. Okay, you saw this space. I'm trying my best to do this. And this is, you know, some more space. So we have more than enough space to put a weight room down here if that's what it is we want it to do. Okay, so there you go. Yeah, that's our utility stuff to be right in the middle, but I can live with that. And it's a little chilly down here, but at any rate, here it is. Okay, so this is leading upstairs to where we're going to put the big screen. Oh, there's a storage space right when you take up those little bitty stairs. Little storage space right there. There you go, up, down. Okay, so now we have the downstairs. There's the patio, which is not that big of a deal because the kids' rooms are not down here. And you have a big enough open space. That's Destiny. And then you have a nice bathroom with a shower. So we do have 2 showers. So that's a good thing. Okay. I'm going up the stairs to the next one to show you the kitchen and things of that nature. Alright, and then get your shoes. Alright, this is when you walk in. There's a closet, and that's the door for the garage. The kitchen is a very good size to put a table in, a kitchenette table. So cabinets are to die for. I love them. I'll have to get used to the stove. There's the refrigerator, which seems to be the norm as we've been looking, stainless steel. Not a window expert, but the windows seem to be relatively decent. I didn't feel any air in them. Again, I love it right here. The windows are nice. Here's the dining area. It is carpeted down there. They have it set up very nice for showing. And here's the living area, which is right next to the dining area, so we'll definitely have to do some coordination on that, like we wouldn't have to have done that first. And here's the back, which is the deck part of it. And it is a little gate around it, but it's a very decent size for a pool. So I'm going to go upstairs to the bedrooms, which is okay. You have the bedroom. That's the bathroom. That's the walk through. It's right here. You have a separate tub and shower, so that's a good thing. Hey, cutie. And here's your shower. I do like that. Not Steven Spielberg. And here's our bedroom. The bedroom is okay. It's not, it's great, but the closet is right here, and sometimes that can be a deal breaker because the closet is not, it's big enough. We're gonna have to make it big enough for both of us. Destiny or Sean's room is the one that's next. They're not the biggest rooms ever. They're not the smallest either. The vents and stuff seem to be nice. Closet is probably bigger than ours. Let's see. Yeah, closets are decent size. And then the last bedroom is right here, which is probably be Sean's anyways. And they pretty much made about the same. So that's what's upstairs. It's kind of sort of like our townhouse now, only with extra 2 levels, but that's a pretty shot. I know it. And again, the outside is very nice. I know this is going to stop on me soon. Hope I can get this to you. This is the main entrance when you come in. One more time. So it's really nice. The ceilings are pretty good also.
Yeah, and the windows.
And Destiny loves the windows. They are huge. They are so cute. You almost don't have to put anything over them. So there you have it. In the dining area. And alright, I love you. Well, let me know what you think.